video, we want to look at how to use Slide Over. Slide Over allows you to have one app open and another app that sits on top of the current app. You can also hide one of the apps over to the side. So let's look at the first way you can do this. The first way is I'm going to open an app. So let's open this one. And then up at the top, you'll see those three dots. You're going to go right to there, and you're going to say Slide Over. Now you noticed it put it over here to the side. It's sitting on the edge of my screen. So now I'm going to open my second app. And when I do that, you notice that this one is currently sitting on top. Now if I want, I can take my finger on that app and I can slide it over to the side, and you notice that it disappeared. If I want that app to come back, I just take my finger and swipe it and it brings it back. So I can hide it or I can swipe it and get it back on there. The other thing that you can do, and I'm going to close that app. So let's say I have my books open and I want to open another app to slide it on top. I can take my finger at the bottom and swipe up to open my dock, and I can find the app that I want to put in Slide Over, and I can hold my finger on that app until it kind of pops off, and then I'm going to bring it and drop it over to the side. Now it's placed it on top, and if I need to close it, I just swipe over to the side and then I can bring it back if I need to. The other thing that I can do, let's say that when I swipe my finger up and I'm looking at my dock down here at the bottom, the app that I need is not visible. But right here in the corner is my apps library. So if I click, or I'm going to tap that with my finger. Now the key is you have to find an app that is supported and that will go into Slide Over. If for some reason you try one, you'll get an error message. I'll show you that in just a second. But let's just say I want to go ahead and open that Pages, or not Pages again. Let's just go ahead and do Safari. I'm going to click and hold, and I put it on top. That black line there, I can hold that line and see that I have more than one. So I can select the one that I want and reorder them by using that little black line at the bottom. Okay, but watch what happens if I try to open one that I know is not supported. And I think it was Clips that I tried earlier. Let's go ahead, I'll try this one. I'm gonna drag it. See, it won't go into that, and I was getting a message earlier up here at the top that said app is not supported. So there are some that will not go in to Slide Over view. Anyway, all right, so that's how we do Slide Over.